Okay, so it's been a while since I've vlogged. I know y'all don't care because about Kyle and my mom watch these vlogs. But we're taking a water balloon, filled it with water, set it outside so it freezes. And now we're gonna put it on a plate because cats are supposed to like to play with ice. So, ooh, it's cold. This is cool. So we're gonna put this on the plate here. And we're gonna see how the cat reacts to it. Oh geez. Apparently cats like ice, so.
Hey, shitty.
You just said that in the video. She's like, what? Look it. No, you're supposed to play with it. Stop. Play with it. Look it.
Spit once.
She's not very interested in it. Hey, what if we put it on the ground? She might like play with it then. Hey, Crappy. Hey, we're playing that game now. Go get it. Yeah, I know. She doesn't want to eat it though. What's wrong with you? Eat the ice ball. Eat the ice ball. No, get back here. Eat the ice ball.
That's weird. She don't like it.
Come on, dummy. What do you think you're doing? Huh? What are you doing? No. You're gonna eat the ice ball and you're gonna like it. You're gonna eat the ice ball and you're gonna like it. Eat the ice ball. Look at.
Don't stick her head in it.
Look at. Would it help if I tried to lick the ice?
Probably not.
All she can ever do is show her butt to me. Oh my god. Uh-oh, where's the cat?
Right next to your head.
Why? Get her away.
No, she's running away. Now roll.
I can't see.
Watch your table.
Oh wait, hold on. Grand finale. Oh, that was this one. Oh, that's a close one. What was that noise? Anyways. Okay, so our shopping day has already started, and I wasn't gonna vlog, but I decided to vlog right now. Well, we're sitting in the middle of a very busy restaurant, and me and my mom, my mom and Kyle and me are just shopping, and yeah, just being really boring. We already went to TJ Maxx, but I got a bunch of food that I didn't like when I tried it, and a sweatshirt, and yeah. So we're gonna go to the mall and see what else we can find. Also, my mom just added to me to tell you that we are at Texas Roadhouse, because I didn't announce that when I told you guys where we were at, even though I didn't tell you where we were at, and she's staring at me right now because she thinks I'm weird. So this is her face. Oh my goodness. Look at that armadillo over there getting drunk. I think somebody needs to go talk to him. What's wrong with these people? Okay, take 3. For the 3rd time, we are headed to the Even Ice Caves in Michigan, and it is a beautiful day out. How many degrees is it?
It's about 40.
It's about 40 degrees, so we only need about a sweatshirt, and I got a long sleeve shirt underneath this, but it's gonna be a lot of fun, and I'm probably gonna get some really good footage and some pictures and stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking, and you guys will see when we get there. just got into Eben and the snow is almost like half or like almost the top of Kyle's car, and it is there is just so much snow here. Like the elementary school, it was almost to like the top of the building in some places of it. So we're almost there. This is a very steep hill, and I'm very nervous. Kyle, I'm gonna die.
You want me to wait for you?
No shit. How does old people do this? Hey, you're just leaving me? Oh my god.
Just step where I'm.
This is so dangerous. I got too many things.
Yeah, just step in those spots. Right there.
No, if I go right here,
You're gonna go up top?
and we're gonna hold the tree, or actually just let her get in front of you. I guess this is what you get when you want to see something cool.
Oh, that's way worse. This is easy.
That's the easy part of it.
Oh, you got straight downhill.
Oh.
Oh no. Okay, go. Oh jeez.
Don't step where I did. It's really slick.
Where?
Don't step there. Step right here if you can.
Oh, and then we got.
Then we can just go right down in the pack.
I'm gonna try to get in this spot.
There you go.
I feel like I'm gonna just fall straight down. Okay. Just try not to get my eye poked out, you know. That'd be a good thing if I did not do that. Ugh. Oh, thank God. I made it.
There.
That one, it looks like somebody would fall down. I don't like this. You should hold on to my backpack.
Hold on your backpack.
I mean, if you don't fall, that'd be a good thing. Oh, I'm gonna fall. I don't like this. Oh my God.
Next to your cleats.
Definitely, that would be a good thing to, you know, do.
I was turning sideways, so I got more.
Well, if I get good pictures, we won't have to come here again.
Yeah. Take your dad here next time and see him walking this.
The sun's like going down on us.
Yeah, it's going over.
I can't help it. Some people grab by, like, you should rip off a stick somewhere.
I should what?
Get a stick.
Get a stick?
Yes.
Why?
Because? What do you mean, why? Should that be a question? This is straight downhill, either way. This is straight downhill either way, and it's full of ice. We're gonna have a lot of struggles getting down this.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is easier than that, looks like.
You need to put this in your
Pocket.
Alright, yeah, no, okay. Not much I can do though.
Why would that be scary?
Go somewhere. Just don't step by it. What if I'm gonna break that? We fall through. I don't know how to take a picture of this because it's so dark. It's way darker in here than it looks. But this is the coolest place that I've been to. But the struggle getting here was very great. It's pretty darn neat in here.
That's video good.
Huh?
You're probably gonna use that one because I could.
Oh, you can't get through this? Oh wait, yeah, you can. It's all starting to melt in here, which is freaking me out. What if you get hit in the head by one? Like a big one. Oh, that's you. I just, Kyle.
You okay?
Shoot. I'm really mad at myself. Why are we over here?
We can make it through.
Okay, here. This is the rest of it. I need to put the camera away. Take the camera, you know. Okay, guys. We just climbed from down there up to over there and up here. That was the scariest experience I have ever done in my entire life. We were just down there. Everything is super slippery, but this will be very rewarding. What are we doing? This will be very rewarding because we will have a nice trip out because the way in here was pure hell. So basically, oh jeez. Okay, so we'll see y'all later. We made it to the top of this, and normally people would go back the way they came, but we were cool and decided to go an easier way. It was a really more difficult way to beginning, but the payoff is great. So we're going on a nice route now. You know how I decided to just go under it. Yes, where that dog pee is.
Oh, awesome. You make me go under it.
Why is there lime green right there? What is that?
There's one around it too.
Got up. I'm safe.
Whitewash.